welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about how to create this monochromatic makeup look. What does that even mean? It means a one and done look, matching lip, cheeks, and eyeshadow. Monochromatic makeup looks can be very simple because you're just using one color scheme throughout your entire face. This look is particularly more angular, but the color scheme is all there. And I've partnered up with Revlon in this video to share with you guys my best tips and tricks on how to create this look that I'm wearing. And if you guys want to see more videos like this one, more makeup tutorials, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below if you want to see more. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started! First up, apply moisturizer and then use a brightening eye cream that helps improve foundation and concealer. I like to apply on dark circles, tops of cheekbones, and on the forehead. Next, I'm going to apply the Revlon Color Stay Makeup with SPF 20 in medium beige for normal to dry skin. I love how this foundation is lightweight and comfortable to wear. It's sweat-proof and has hyaluronic acid to help hydrate over time, and it's perfect for me because I typically have drier skin. Here's a great tip. Dampen a sponge with a setting spray to give foundation all day wear. And what's great about this sponge is that you don't get your hands dirty, which is great for me because I'm a clean freak. And I gotta say guys, this foundation is giving me that glow from within look. Now on to concealer. I've been using the Revlon Youth FX Fill and Blur Concealer and I'm loving it. Some concealers can be really drying and can make fine lines stand out more. This one, however, really blurs out any skin imperfections and dark circles. And of course, I always apply in areas I want to brighten and open. Then using a flat foundation brush, I'm going to blend the concealer in. A great tip is using patting motions to set the concealer in so it doesn't move anywhere all day long. Now it's time to fill the brows. Since I colored my hair to a lighter color, I'm also going to use a lighter brown shade to fill in my brows. Here's one done, and now magically both. For this monochromatic look, I'm going to start with the Color Stay Decadent Shadow Palette. But first, I'm going to apply a piece of tape underneath my lower lashes to create a clean line for a graphic and angular shape. Then using the lightest shade, I'm going to build a base all over the lid. Back and forth, very simple. Next, taking the darkest shade, I'm going to start carving out my graphic wing, adding layers until I get my desired shade. Then, taking the gold shade, I'm going to pat this into the inner parts of the eyelid to make a gradient from light to dark. And to finish it off, I'm going to peel off the tape and voila, a clean line perfect for this look. There was a bit of fallout here, so to quickly fix that, I'm going to clean it up with a blender. To continue this monochromatic look, I'm going to use a cream blush that matches the eyeshadow. Using my ring finger, I'm going to blend this out until it looks seamless. To complete this look, I'm going to apply Revlon's Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in Rich Bordeaux. This one makes my lips look super smooth and more plump. And how does it do that, you ask? It contains a Volulip, which helps enhance the size and makes lips appear more sculpted. Big bonus. Now here's a tip. Run a bit of concealer over the lip line to make your lip color stand out. And now we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some tips and tricks on how to create a very simple and easy monochromatic makeup look. This is one of my favorite looks that I've created so far. I love the angular and graphic look of this, mainly because I don't typically wear stuff like this and it's just so cool to get out of my comfort zone and try something new. If you guys want to see more recreations on these sorts of trends when it comes to makeup, please let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything new. I love you and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye!